many Sierra Leonean artists them they use we national dance troupe for make the video clip. If we get count them, you know each one, maybe in a 0.5%. But we always pray for let them we artists the year believe say they are Sierra Leonean, then belong to a tribe called Mende, Timini local Limba Soso, like we local chief. I don't know if he's still into music. This lady one they can see in name na Irene Namatovu from the eastern part of Africa, and this now a typical traditional video, and I believe say you where they watch this video where for watcher now go really appreciate, and when you watch this video you find out say then they show the beauty of African woman by the West. Dance for let the man appreciate. This now a married song, a very typical African video, and the title of the video now Ukuzala Kunjakana.
Chabanga chifo kudibira kuluja nabazadde chabatwalangane kundaku bafune pula nafune ya mutwala nazikuna abawala bakulangane senga namubulira embeera z'obufumbo tiwano tokola bwoti wanokola bwoti mwana wattu ebyo byaggwawo abakacoka notuzadde mwati n'ebirerya osanyusiza nnyo mwattu tozwaziza akalagane wekatajja bulika kogwe kamutwalira abazadde bamulabeko yemanga ng'oseera bulala fumulo y'omusajja omulangatira yagana ng'azaala kuza essanyu ly'omwana linzita yagana ng'azaala kuza essanyu ly'omwana linzita bayozere bayotabule guno omukwano gw'omusajja gundikubi bayozere bayotabule amazina jagana ng'azaala kuza bayozere bayotabule guno omukwano gw'omwana gundikubi bayozere bayotabule amazina jagana ng'azaala kuza ekere jantya nga sisose kulanya mu maaso g'abeene ekikintu kya nnono zakuyimbira mu ddoboozi ly'eggono zaana wonna matoba irina nettiranga myaka bino gyerengesa omubala kali kutanda bwe kali kusuula mubenga biyesambaganye okejjuse onoolaba nabina ebigambo njagala obitwale kunkumula amatugo njagala obiwulire mwana wange mugenze kufumba naye tobeera omufumba kafu anewala amanyuba yatemesogasoga oyaniririza omumanyi ne gwotamanyi ekitiibwa ky'omukyala zibeera mpisa zokulembeza nga tonnakwatolera ekitiibwa ky'obufumbo kabeera mawuno nnyo era kimwebwa oyo abeera kigwanira onoobikwata ebyo genze kufumba ne bakadde bobaweesa ekitiibwa anti okuzala kwekuba okujagana jagala jagala jagane bayozere bayotabule guno omukwano gw'omusajja gundikubi bayozere bayotabule amazina jagana ng'azaala kuza bayozere bayotabule guno omukwano gw'omwana gundikubi bayozere bayotabule amazina jagana ng'azaala kuza omumanyi omukwano anti ligwa lya tovu likusiiwa bwe likujijira kamwenyumwenyu kano kondabako kutama sanyu lya mwana ekisuulo ky'okusanyuka kyasizenze kisula nemmanya nti olwo kanaabeera ketalo ebyakakyokano kufuno yakwagala nakuleeta nembazadde n'amala kwanjula kabeera ketalo kaba kayisa nnyo kuba kujagana jagana ng'azaala kuza essanyu ly'omuzadde linzita sirisa engoma nzinemu amateera gwe gajja kumenya lekamu namunjoloba zine magonju oba ganjawuza walalalala sirisa engalabi nzinemu amateera gwe gajja kumenya yongeza kukunyeyo olololo olololo essanyu linzita bayo bayo gwe bayozere bayotabule guno omukwano gw'omusajja gundikubi bayozere bayotabule amazina jagana ng'azaala kuza bayozere bayotabule
in capital city fever we own when a Freetown, but then get time in the French way when a Libreville. We go see a traditional group where one pan the vocalist like cripple, or we can say persons with disability. A look at him say with that disability where he gets and the voice where he gets, you know go sit down no more for the say bribe body instead say well I use my voice for make them up. And today now one of the traditional group this now Gabon we don't make name, we don't make money out of what they get. That in 3, 2 man and 1 woman. They call this group Muyanga, and the title of the video na Ba Mambange. A very traditional, you know, say the African language is vast and big, yeah. Once again from Gabon, and this group now Muyanga, where they come with this typical traditional video where I believe say you go appreciate. And you when a salon artist, make sure say you market what you get as local language. Talk of traditional music na Sierra Leone. Mama Ami Kalona, one person where you go call him name. We got a lot of people them. We got young guys that say we don't come inside when about big. We got a lot of them where they market we local language. But we can't see somebody from Kenema, I know the any moment. So rest in peace when a Posowai. Posowai they kaya with a video when a Lundukai. A typical traditional Mende song, and I really appreciate. I believe say one of them for watch them, one say go appreciate. We decide for come up with a specific African videos and for now for you where they sing now, and we go get a plan for sing tomorrow. Make you know say if you belong to Soso, sing inside Soso. If the Guinean Soso they sing inside Soso, why can't you sing inside Soso as Sierra Leonean? What thing we do? We make we know the market with tradition. We get problem with that? Or now other tradition don't can kill we own tradition where we know able for market, then we collect and the next month they own tradition, especially when we get June 16 and salon, you go see we salon picking them when they dress, you go visit Nigeria then come out. Yeah, we get a lot of goodies in a salon. If we begin for market them now, I believe say by the time they will remember say catch them young, they don't catch themselves already and they don't market themselves. African Temple, the only program where they give you the best of good African videos. When we talk of a country where get some little bit of challenges, get some desertic land, things are hard here at times, but God bless them with mining sites and way that they make small benefits. But culture and tradition make this country today get a lot of tourism where they come, that country they for can see how it look like, and they call this country Botswana. Where they can see a group what they call culture spears. They come here with a title where na Dibesani. This video na a typical love song as well. A beautiful woman, a woman where they responsible for a man, make sure say the home welfare they intact, and make sure say when you man come with people when are strange people then you make sure say you accommodate some people in there without grumbling. But at times you can get a woman in a salon where man come with paddy, you go begin grumble, they go in mouth or they go in face or they tight in face that corner, which is very, very bad. At times, if you man get a bad friend where you know of, then tight your face. But if you don't sabi that party, make sure say you welcome him very, very nicely. And this video they depict the typical tradition of an African woman where they respect a man, and anybody where man they come up with na us from Botswana culture spears.
Baby,
Shapa osampona nkawe shapa kiliwile kope wena ulivile kwa mura una le tsamekela mogoni kiralo na pasimanyana babankuta batankuta diveisane ntsadile tsidi bogola ka tlogela konte ka dikoba Dine di semaile le goto nna mele kuta molodi ke ra molodi go tswa go sele baagisane ba ne ba utswa hanka bua bangwe ba nkuta tota menta ke didimale bana ba gompieno mathale ba ka go kapa o sa ba bone ba itira bona ba sa utse
Apose, it just means thank you. Gela Apose, Papa God, thank you. This now from the Gere tribe from the western part of Côte d'Ivoire, and we go see this group when they call Eden. Now a religious song by telling Papa God thank you, say Dieu merci. But in the local language when they call Gere, the Gere are people that way they about 615-20 miles away from Abidjan. You can get them inside Man, you can get them inside Jiglo, you can get them inside Jokwe, or you can get them right inside Abidjan. And this group on inside Abidjan. But they go shoot the video clip in a village for depict the traditional culture of the tribe. And the dance inside this video, they call it Lekini. Once again, they call this group Eden. And the title of the video now, Apose. Thank you very much, Papa God, for all the goodies way they do, and we tell Papa God thank you for the peace and tranquility within us. I'm gonna watch this video and we'll be back.
Às vezes onde eu
decide for bring specific traditional videos in for una. For you where they watch, you where say you na Sierra Leone, you know able for talk Mende, but you belong to the Mende tribe. If you na Shabu, sing inside your Shabu language. Market them. Let people they ask now who's tribe this. And a Shabu, they sing fine though. Because you can sing better in your local language than any other language where you learn somewhere than the language where you born inside. Now it make you see Guinea or any other country today, when the youth then they sing, then they use the local traditional music, because the key and the notes, or maybe the way of singing, where then they use the language, they beautify that song. But Salone, we artists them always want to make like a white man. I believe say if una watch this program today, then they go able for tell una say una for make sure say una sell una tradition and culture. It's like a very young guy from the Igbo land. His name na Ayaka Ozubulu. The title na Akachuku Soma Aga. This again na tell Papa God thank you in everything we do for you. And now a video where myself appreciates, and when a friend of mine when a Nigerian Guinea say this video is very good, and when we say watch the video, I really see something inside. And I believe say when you get for watch them, you go begin automatically for go back to your tradition and also you come out.
Chimeleze no melon bicha Ugo chimeleze no melon bicha Nanuwa Njobi jebu Nobu na chonya diro webisu Niva na kwa kulimia Akala njibi wabekuo kamba obegwama amebulu gojaria yewo akachukwu sonyaka ichoba kalowa ichoba chukuna ibani jikamba obegwama Igbo n'ezie ni nwa mgbada ịmaligo na mgbada bi n'ọbịa na nwa mgbada dị ime wee n'ebe mgbada nwa mgbada sobisi na nwanyị ime na-eme ọ na-amalebe ọnọmacha ebe nwa mgbada na sisi nwa mgbada dakilo ọnwụnwa dinta wee fụzie mgbada dinta wee si n'azụ wee mụnye ọkụ n'ọbịa ọkụ ịba wee gbaba nwa mgbada n'ezi anya n'azụ ya ọ bụ na ọkụ ịba na-agba n'azụ nwa mgbada were ọsọ ndụ agwụ ike 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 ọsọ ndụ ya wepụta n'iru orimiri n'anya malive ọgana onanya n'iru orimiri n'ọdụ n'iru onanya n'azụ ọkụ ịba na-agba n'azụ onanya n'aka nri dị tabụl egbe wee kwụle onanya n'aka ebe agụ dị ndụ na-abịa n'ike mgbada na kwali chukwu nna ọ bụ na m ọ ga-amụọ chukwu olise ka mmụọ nwa m n'udo ọ bụ na ga ga-ebu m ka mmụọ nwa m ka ọ dịrị na nwa m dịrị na aba m ga-adịo na nwa m dịrị ime na aba m ga-adịo ebe nwa mgbada na-eche n'ụwa anya gwugo mgbe abụka obi n'igwe malitela ọlụ dinta wee n'ezi anya na-egbenye ọ bụrụ so okwu mgbe ọ bọlụ n'ime ya dinta wee jụba onwe ya ajụjụ na dinta na-ajụzi onwe ya kedu ibe m ga-eme ọ bụ na mgbagbo mgbada agụ ga-eri m nwụlụ mana mgbu agụ nwere ndụ m na dinta were egbe gbagbu agụ
Baba tempo, African tempo. Dunya dani jigi le ma tempo lena. Nde dani jigi le ma baba la no lena. African tempo le. Himayela la medo yele de ne kumadala.
Oh karabu. Afuma minu. Bari femine masayang. Kana netsa sawu amba samini na bakera tata oh funuba bakuldi na fame feel afama minu ba mu mekarane wai sunalo so manu sunalo so tarengi na meide conta feliceio. Fanke mui, me yo conta feliceio. Owa ide no e mi enki keren ke mor bertan. Mi enki keren ya fosonga kuga ide o mi enki nombana ne fino tawan kaune okuro ramuji. Pipi mu nombana ne lese tawan kaune okuro kal ramuji. Banana me fie, masheba konsa mi uratuloe, masheba komiero komu kaloi, alokonga guru ngaye, alasule tokura yanteguloe.
Bakudi, oh why?
Afuya mabae, amine kofia maba, amine afange mi oai kofia maba oe, motenda une banane mienge, banana ne mi